put some music in the background because it's a Rolls Royce. Hey, with the red, that's crazy. My bad, y'all. I'm dressed like I'm going to an interview, you know. These is crazy. I'm trying to get further and further away from this music so we can video a little bit. The Benz, the Bentley, the Rolls Royce. Whoa. Okay, here we go. I like this little stripe right here. If y'all paid attention, like on the 300, I had this that stripe right there. You'll see it on older cars. I think they had on the Buick. They had on a couple box Chevys. You know, I like that little line. It puts like it does something to it, man. And these is open. Got like a little beach cruiser or something right here. Ooh, had to stop. Oh, that's a Benz. Yeah, when cars is this old, man, I don't have that much knowledge on them. But definitely something cool to look at. Even draw, I'll definitely try something like this. It ain't gotta be all that powerful. Sometimes you need a little something to cruise in. And they floors and lighting is like perfect. 250C, huh? That's crazy because they got the 250C still. Yeah. I think, what was it? Get Rich or Die Trying? Yeah, that Benz out. I want to open it, but that's exactly when somebody gonna come out and watch. They go, hey, how you doing? Dang. All right, I gotta close. It's gonna be a little loud. Somebody can pop up. Just be ready. No, we about to get up out of here, y'all. I came over here initially because I seen the, I'm a little sick, my bad, excuse me. The G-Wagon outside, man, and I liked the, I think that was my inside, or the, you know what I'm saying? I like the inside. I don't know, I just thought it was cool. I ain't seen nothing like that before. Yeah, ran into like a little Jeep shop over here, y'all. I like these on Jeeps, especially when those lights look like that. Little angle right there. Oh, this is clean right here. Got Jeep at the bottom. And normally it say Wrangler or whatever right there. This is clean. Oh, this that older steering wheel too. Stick shift. This is like the older what do you call it? Ooh, this aggressive. Hungry right there. That look like the, what do you call it? I'm gonna think about it, but Scrambler. They got a Jeep called a Scrambler. And they got Jeep on the steering wheel. Y'all see that? That's clean. What kind of wheel is that? Say Jeep on the wheel. They probably gonna bring these back, right? Oh, instead of lights at the top, they got them on the side with the dark tint. Super dark. Can't see nothing. Renegade. I didn't know they had a Jeep called a Renegade. Or maybe I just wasn't paying attention. Sahara right there. I'm liking that one. The Bronco. That's what I was thinking too. That car down there remind me of the Bronco. When they take that top off, yeah, clean. I see that design kind of on the Toyotas, the 4Runners, and the Bronco wheels. It remind me of that. Yeah, that's clean. This right here, is this a Bronco? Wagoneer. Okay. This is the design I was talking about right here. I remember that it was a movie. They used to have this wood on the side. It'll be on like station wagons. It'll be on the wagons and the maybe Jeeps, but yeah, the Wagoneer, man. These colors is crazy. And you bring that wood back. And actually, the wood is on Forza. I don't know if y'all play Forza. That last option of the colors. It'll have that wood on there. And you're moving this white one right here. This must be like a Jeep shop. They're pulling them in right here and right here. Dang, look at that one. That's crazy. And they redid the Jeep right there. That grill. That's clean. Can't go wrong with the Jeep with the paint like that. Wide body, aggressive. Tire aggressive, wheel aggressive. Just take the doors off of this one. That's all you gotta do. XRC. Different lights on the side right there. Kind of want to video that one. The square lights, that radiator sitting right there is bugging. It's not covered at all, but you know, that's where you pop the hood at. The square lights is nice too. What if they came in with the angle on those? Would it look? How would it look? Nah, it still look a little surprised, wouldn't it? That hood is clean. GR again. Yeah, they about to redo these Renegades. Dang.